Hello, everyone. My name is Hyungjin Lee, and I'm responsible for developing the voice feature in Samsung Electronics smart home appliance. First of all, I'm delighted to introduce you today through Samsung Voice Assistant Bixby as improved voice control experience for smart home appliance. As the title suggests, I would like to talk about the recently launched upgraded Bixby on smart home appliance. First, let me go over the contents covered in today's session. I plan to provide a brief overview of the journey toward voice recognition in smart home appliance, focusing specifically on what has changed since the recent launch of the upgrade Bixby. I will also introduce how we are utilizing on-device technology in our products, where we see its potential application and our vision for the future. Home appliances are located within home and serve as family devices, but there's growing demand for them to understand individual preference and adapt it accordingly. To address this, we will explore ways to utilize Voice ID for personalization settings. Shall we begin? Yeah. As shown in the simple timeline table below, the voice recognition journey for smart home appliance began back in 2017. Based on S-Voice, which was Samsung voice recognition solution at that time, we applied and launched the first NLU-based voice recognition system in Family Hub. Family Hub is, as you know, that smart refrigerator. This allows the user to access information such as weather, date and time, and recipe, and so on. But it has had some limitation to support the functions and understanding. Afterward, we incorporated the voice into air conditioner, which required frequently control the setting or presented difficult when searching for remote control at late night. Maybe you have some same experience. Yeah. So by enabling far-field voice recognition, we made controlling the air conditioner easier and more convenient, making it the most frequently used voice-controlled device during summer season in Korea. From 2017 to 2019, Samsung's voice solution underwent significant change as well. Through various attempts and improvement, Bixby was born. Enhance the user interaction through Bixby Viewer and capture development for diverse service in linkage allowed us to provide the user with the desired information and functionalities. In 2019, we started incorporating the Bixby into our smart home appliance. Start the family of refrigerator and standard type air conditioner. We applied some wall-mounted, some air conditioner also. And robot vacuum cleaner allowing user to control their device, also to control the connected device with the smart things and access diverse service information. Since then, we've continued improving recognition performance and integration use service, like as the Samsung TV Plus. It is already included in family of devices. Yeah. To enhance the voice usabilities, we continue developing like that. This year marks a major shift in terms of voice capabilities for our smart home appliance. The increase in LCD equipment products, like as AI combo washing machine and smart sliding range, various applications are featured have been incorporated, of course, including Bixby. As the number of LCD-equipped products continue to grow, voice-enabled devices are expected to proliferate and diversity further. Moreover, with the release of upgraded Bixby in last August, users can control their device using more natural speech patterns, like as the multi-intent and multi-tone, and device Q&A functionality has been added. As Bixby continue to evolve, we expected the number of voice-enabled products to expand even further in 2025. Now, let's deep dive into newly released upgraded Bixby. As you know, for voice recognition, we need a microphone to hear the user voice and a speaker to inform the user about the recognition result. First, the wake-up part that recognized high Bixby, indicating the starting of the voice recognition, as well as the ASR part that process the user speech into the text are supported just like before. It is the same as the core of this update is the NLU part, which aim to understand the user's intent well. It includes improved language model to enable understanding of the user natural conversation and can handle expression with unclear content accordingly to their intent. Three main functions have been added. First, multi-intent, which allow the processing two more intents simultaneously. Second, multi-tone, which utilized previous conversations to understand intent. Remember the previous utterance and reuse these things to understand that. Finally, the device Q&A, which provide the instruction of feature and guide about the troubleshooting on using home appliance. For example, in front of the family hub, when saying, start washing machine and turn on the TV, two commands can be processed at once. Also, after asking, is there a banana on the fridge? Followed by, add it to my shopping list. We can remember the conversation. At the time, so we are just saying, no, add some bananas, but Bixby can understand these things. In front of the washing machine, one can ask, what is the AI Opti wash and dry? It is the new course things. So after that, Bixby can respond to some proper information to user, and user can say just set this course like that. Even air conditioner or robot vacuum cleaner without the LCD display can perform the similar actions. For example, to air conditioner, you can ask, set the temperature to 25 degrees and what's the weather today, like that. And also the two robot vacuum, charge the robot cleaner and clean the home at 2 p.m. tomorrow. With the upgraded Bixby, we aim to make controlling smart home appliance easier and more convenient. Strengths both control through the monitoring and controlling connected appliance in home and provide useful guide information about various smart home appliances also. The spread of voice-enabled device and the implementation of upgraded Bixby, which better understand the user natural conversation regarding device control, bring about several changes for user. Here are some of the benefits we anticipate. Like as Family Hub and Slide Range are essential for managing ingredient and cooking meal. It is located in kitchen. Robot vacuum cleaner typically reside in the living room, ready to clean everywhere of the house, and it can also move. The washing machine is on laundry room. In case of the air conditioner, normally standard type is on living room, wall-mounted type is on the private room. As you can see, the voice-enabled products are present throughout the household, ensuring that user can communicate with them no matter where they are. From the kitchen, one can ask easily to check the remaining time of the washing machine, or instruction the robot vacuum to clean up or turn off the light in the bathroom if you're missing. It's also possible to continue watching TV contents on Family Hub, just simply to saying, "Hi Bixby, show the TV screen on here," like that. So I think that instead of the purchasing separate voice-enabled speakers or installing them in designated area, having voice functionality built into the necessary appliance means gaining the voice assistant tailored to each space. Our goal is to incorporate voice feature into various home appliances to achieve this. Furthermore, with upgraded Bixby, we can handle complex instructions and maintain conversation context. Imagine the possibilities if multiple devices could be comprehend and processing conversation based on previous dialogue. As Bixby evolves and it becomes more human-like, we believe home appliance equipped with Bixby will truly become AI companion assisting and caring for user. I think the smart home appliance is the key for AI home. Let's consider a specific example in the future. Currently, with the upgraded Bixby, it is possible to process multiple commands at once, such as clean the robot vacuum and start the washing machine and dishwasher. But it is not easy to say at once. However, this kind of phrasing, such as things, however, this kind of phrasing might not come natural to user, who would likely prefer to speak more conversationally, like telling the robot vacuum, "Bixby, I need to head to work, finish the household chores by 6 p.m. It is more natural, right? To support this type of request, we would need to infer what the household chores entail and determine when to begin them in order to complete them by 6 p.m. Since this may vary depending on each user's environment and available products, but it is necessary to gather and processing this information accordingly. Given that we have access to SmartThings platform for checking the status of this functionality, checking the status of connected device in the home, and Bixby for understanding user intent, it seems feasible to implement this functionality in the future. Another scenario could involve something asking, "Bixby, what's my schedule?" The situation involves checking my schedule only and suggesting follow-up action accordingly. So if we know who me is and what pattern they typically use, we can provide a personalized setting even for shared family devices. How does that sound? I'm really looking forward to the time when I can demonstrate the related scenario to you or in near future. Now, let's move into another aspect of voice improvement effort involving on-device utilization. There are three main reasons for applying on-device technology to home appliance. First, faster processing. Second, enhanced privacy protection. And finally, the stable operation regardless of the network condition. As mentioned earlier, the voice command involved device controls. We are focusing device control in Bixby. For air conditioner, over 50% of utterance related to control the power, switch on off, change the mode, some cooling mode or dehumidification mode or something like that, to set temperature, to increase, decrease, and wind speed. Therefore, starting in 2023, we implemented a hybrid method combining on-device and cloud approach for the air conditioner product in Korea. On-device handles crucial device control command, while the cloud processing informational requests regarding weather, date and time, and so on. Just in service providers shared some content. This ensures fast and reliable execution of the control command for air conditioner. Moving on to other aspects of usability, the improvement enabled by on-device, let's examine the concept of the welcome list command. As the name implied, these allow user to say command without invoking high Bixby. For instance, in case of the Galaxy mobile phone already supported the command, the timer is ringing, just only stop timer. And also, when receiving incoming call, you just say accept call or the reject call without the high Bixby. It is very simple and convenient for the user. Similarly, we extended this capability to family of washing machine and slider range also. So you can have same experience through this device. Additionally, these appliances include automatic door opening mechanism. While this function possibility is easy access, operating the touch button can prove challenging when hands are occupied with food or laundry. Hence, we introduced the option to directly say, open the fridge door, open the washer door, without any high Bixby. This is very simple and easy, but we're also considering the privacy concern and latency issue. So associated with the constant voice recognition, we utilize the on-device technology for this purpose. We continue exploring additional features that require the seamless control and optimizing on-device voice support for home appliance. Now, let's talk more about personalization. Refrigerator and washing machine, slider range, and robot vacuum cleaner, and air conditioner are designed for the family device rather than individual. However, there is still a growing demand for personalization. For instance, the utterance, what's my schedule? The device can check my schedule only and suggest suggest some follow-up action according for me. Or if someone has poor eyesight, like as me, I just wear the glass. At the times, I use a large font size on my mobile device. The font size on other devices, like as the family with LCD screen, can automatically adjust to match their preference, without any additional setup. Providing tailored settings like this can transform home appliance into personal device. To initiate this transition, we intend to implement the voice ID technology by registering each family member's voice and determining whose voice it is. We aim to provide customized service accordingly. Moreover, non-family member can be prevented from controlling the device in home. Integration with various connected devices and utilization of voice ID in diverse apps and services are also possible. I hoped to have opportunity to co-work with your app as well in our devices. Until now, I have explained the details of Bixby, the voice recognition system used in our smart home appliance. Starting in 2017, we have implemented voice feature in various products and continue to expand its application. Our goal is to create an environment where Bixby is accessible anywhere within the home by incorporating this feature into more new products. Furthermore, our voice assistant Bixby will be continually developing by improving the model and utilizing various contexts with the home. It can better understand user intents. For major function of our smart home appliance, we plan to expand the welcome list feature to allow users to easily and conveniently operate them via voice. By utilizing voice ID technology, we aim to identify each family member's voice and provide personalization setting accordingly. With more products equipped with the smarter Bixby, user will find greater convenience and experience. Our goal is to ensure that anyone can easily use AI-powered appliance and enjoy the benefit of AI. Please keep an eye on our progress in this direction. Thank you to join my session. Yeah. And as you know that there are some bit of time, you can ask some questions and discuss further about when you are curious about that. Yeah. Thank you, and enjoy the conference until the end. Thank you.